Shokodile the Taringanzuki Lopsi di Kari Navaina Lopsi di input output device and memory device. Today we are going to learn input, output and memory device. Last time we have already learned the histories of computers and generations of the computers and basic things, right? So today we are going to learn input, output device and memory device. Okay, this is a computer system. There are a lot of pictures in that figure. Computer, these all are called computer hardware. These all are hardware. Hardware means all the tangible device are called hardware. Software means all the application device are called hardware because it can touch by our hand and feel. These all are called hardware. The computer hardware lana la chaya you feel here you do some hardware la is. There are a lot of pictures of the hardware such as monitors, hard disk, projector, scanner and so many things, right? Keyboard. Computer hardware must be carefully selected to meet the evolving needs of the organization and its supporting information system. Computer ki hardware must be carefully selected to meet the evolving needs of the organization. The thoba jigina ro computer hardware la ro kranzu ki chala kari khotu the kranzu ki needs la pe tagires and it support the information system. Dinanglo la kari support chikitu it can also support the information system. Information din nanglo la system nanglo la support chia yu din ju changwa lawres and there the remote keyboard device thangodi keyboard lenter keyboard do and the ju khare keyboard and mouse are input device are keyboard mouse and then arrow chik ma the down arrow it's showing a down arrow that means input kimala central processing unit. We have already done central processing unit CPU last week langanzo we have already learned ra CPU ko la changchai ba khasang tunda detail de ra CPU gi la khari chire it stored the main function sumer it stored the information it controlled the arithmetic logical unit chigorelaswa and control in storage the information arithmetic logical unit and memory device lani functional sum ge chembu sum chigore CPU gi and input nanglo la lega chicha vijela CPU la dores after then we are output lega the result output dikarela and output device are monitor printer etc. The CPU keyboard nanglo lega chi function chi mouse ki command ti CPU nanglo function chi ne last the cow dore output device nanglo la result di it will display result on output device. It will display result on output device such as projector, monitor, now view chit is we can view the result and then print and next is input device. The device used to accept the data and instruction from the user is called input device. Chala accept chia data ta instruction khari in accept chia user lana kheranzo la orta personal using a computer PC lana personal computer chala pheje tangi di thuje pheje tangi di la user la ora user gi me user tenzi ni bacha shurwa ko gi chala di pheje tang la user gi khar pheje tang input device such as keyboard mouse kherangi la ila chir keyboard and mouse la input device la ora an input device is used to feed the data into the computer. Input device, the main job of input device is to fit the data in your computer. Fit such as fitting into the computer device such as keyboard fit and giving a command on the mouse command click by clicking input device lana input device are capable of converting data in the form of into a form which can be recognized by the computer. Type input device capable of converting data. the jela convert chigres data the convert chigolana into from which recognized by the computer pajola moshia you jalachi to what is input device. An input a computer has several input device, namely keyboard, mouse, trackball, mouse ki kangla joystick, scanner, light pin, barcode reader, OCR, OMR, MICR. Okay, input device. These all are called input device. Keyboard and this is mouse. This is a joystick, and this is also mouse. This is a webcam, scanner, mobile phone, optical mark reader. Personal computer input device. Speak recognized technology. Speaker, the speaker and digital camera. Scanner device. This is called scanner device. Scanner optical data reader. Optical data reader. Magnetic ink character readers. Magnetic strip card. These are the keyboards, like the computer keyboards. The most common input device is keyboard. The commonly input device, you can give two examples. That is keyboard and mouse. Alright? Can keyboard mouse machine switch computer keyboard mouse joystick okay. Now you should know the keyboard. We have already learned the functions of the keyboard in class 6. All the typings, Tibetan and also English. This is the figure of keyboard. The most common input keyboard. It is used to enter both numeric and character type. Input device keyboard you can type character lana higi like character. These are called words, text. Numeric lana number. There is also calculator and also there in number. It is like a mechanical typewriters with alphanumeric. And some alphanumeric niche which is what special keys. Special keys special key exclamation mark. Special key inverted comma. Punctuation key. Inverted comma, open inverted comma, close. Special character hash, at the rate, percentage, dollar, star. Special character slash. Punctuation comma, full stop, inverted comma. Exclamation mark. And then function keys. Function key F1 niche F12 badu. Tinzo tishet gasar wani manzo. Tayang garjoin da di nima lobta gabdu tishet gasar tinto bagal. Ani keyboard contain 101 keys. Key gazure 101 key or 104. Kashi lagya da shi kashi lagya tang chik. Keyboard detects the key press and generates the corresponding keyboard detect press can be well typing or pressing any kind of key. It will detect. Can click shiwaina, press shiwaina, detect chigres. Keyboard detect the key press and generate the corresponding SKI code lana computer key number chur. Digi SKI code number binary digital the sang sugorda. The high level reader SKI code read SKI code lana numeric format which can be recognized by the computer. Computer ki language the lana nima tupala 0 and 1. Computer will only know he will read 0 and 1 language. This is called SKI code. The can press chick chidu tambala keyboard la computer nangla detect chini generate chini karwala computer key language nangla recognize shidure. The types of keyboard. The keyboard la yaw mangbo is tangbo the standard keyboard. Niwa the wireless keyboard. ergonomics keyboard the standard keyboard lana namju kharanzugi standard keyboard have their basic layout namju keyboard lauta basic layout lana sopta layout lana is the design. The average number of keyboard are regular keyboard la key kazu re kya nga ni kya de ke baru yore la key ti to do chik la key chik la ora. The most common they have the 6 alphabet khare yole Q W E R T Y in the first row thangbu de la this the khare standard keyboards. The wireless keyboard, it is a keyboard that does not need to connect the computer wire or wires. The dio computer nang la targui thuni di la chi de mares keyboard kura ya wire yu du wireless la du lo khoyo targui khoyo mare la ora. This make very convenience for the user use the keyboard comfortably. Can user chigla page pije tang du very easy to use, comfortably use here. Targu khar tar maybe thone carry out chi chojo chigores. Wireless keyboard use Bluetooth pije tani kono Bluetooth targu chura dikhane an keyboard di pije chigres. Infrared wireless keyboard di targu pije maybe thone laga chigres targu pije maybe thone laga chigres ani tadi khadelana targu pije maybe thone 내가 지그레스 tagu pyeju mebe thoni la chigres di nanglo la kharanjugi khare khar korlana bluetooth ki and pen drive da chunji so la khar and connect chi on chini wireless ki bet pyeju chigres economics keyboard la de khane chulana. It's referred to the study method that can reduce the stress or musical to avoid repetitive. The music instrument which cures and it stress reduce here and the chain picture. In a standard keyboard, the wireless keyboard picture cures. The digital yoga goes into the more it mostly deal with optimizing the posture. The posture and the technique while walking. So that walk can be carried out into the easier manner. The types of the keyboard. Shamba keyboard kandiolana virtual keyboard. It is a software device that lead to use the input data just like a hardware. The virtual keyboard la di ra tandarola pachanga dinde yomaris raya. In this software it is a software device. Software install chiyores lola tablet inare and mobile screen laptop screen touch in mundile yores ra that keyboard laptop screen touch injola doksine keyboard kora wala keyboard yor the laptop la ne khangla touchpad kangla keyboard chunju shungdo to open up an application that can control the mouse or while touching the screen. Can get touchpad those kachi wata and wala keyboard thingdwa that into this laptop yas into this conchobu ra and then compact keyboard lana keyboard are slim. The compact keyboard lana khalana roll chini kia yu chunchu chi gig dos to tonso ni manzo keyboard nima parujal thar the compact keyboard slim tapped up usually do not have a numeric keyboard. The dil khari yor mare lanara numerical keypad yomare angidi yomare kola because it present on the right side of the keyboard. They are typically used in the laptop. The left side larwa that present the left side on the number the laptop kangla khol di yomare numeric keyboard the compact keyboard dila shimba chazang chikpa chikya. This keyboard are slim, usually don't have a numeric keypad. Angi diyo mare. Angi di khawal yore, nganzo lakpa, ye chola, it's present on the right side of the keyboard. They are typically used in laptops and desktop. Now, mouse. Mouse is an input device that controls the movement of the cursor on the display screen. Mouse dikharela na kerangi ta thandangi cursor di blink chi di dwa dila mouse the input device ni kya ha that control the movement of the cursor lana tuk blink chi di dwa blink chi ni nanash thungi di dila cursor la orda dila mouse ki cursor di display chi movement of the cursor on the display screen the loudest. Mouse stand for the mechanical operation user serial engine. Mouse ke full form theory kuzuswa. The M for mechanical, O for operate, U for user, and serial engine. Mouse is used as a pointing device. Can the point change? The point here also. The point here also is a pointing device. Mouse. Mouse is a small device you can roll and navigate along with a flat surface. Mouse the thandangi keyboard ki mouse pishtangora. Can do mouse the kawal pishtangore mouse nam like yawaina, it will not function very well. You should keep the mouse on a flat surface. Flat surface the mouse kona mouse pedwa. Shaksashtwa. Tikala shana tigide, young such a tapuch kang shigide. Flat surface kala shawana mouse ki roll she navigate lana direction timbores. In a mouse, small ball IR ray is kept inside and touch the pad through a hole at the bottom of the mouse. Mouse ki nanglo la R ray ball chure kashila ima mouse tindola. Tingsangi mouse tila diomares ray ball a small ball chure like RA ray to keep inside the touchpad through the holes of longi nanglo la ball chure ngimaina. And digi in the click chiwa na boldi in the roll chi na call touch screen touch nanglo sensor do chura dile touch chi wores ta ine thingsang mouse la even here is two types of mouse thangbu dila mechanical mouse like do mechanical mouse dila khachir dajing kala so bol chi yores small nanglo la ni ma chin di bol de zemu chi chiwa di bol din na mouse ke laga chi wo mare nganzo din nem bata ndi bol di to sine dela tar ni yara koni la kugi kachire action chitegi koni ki response chitegi ro ani dil laga chi ko se the mouse has a very small rubber ball nanglo rubber ball chures internet that move against two roller ni do wa la roll chi ni yores left and side the right side adiki ma la roll chi chure and it passes across the flat surface. Optical mouse, tingzangi mouse, the mouse is more accurate. Mouse the chombia mabul dur, because it's a bold data madina. That more mouse the accurate, tagda had no moving parts. Koro gugutamare. TS use a laser to detect the mouse. Kurangi mouse the TS laser, dinanglo laser chilukshirwa. Laser do kirangi dos shiwa dan dela dos click shiwa dan laser digi kirangi reaction tigi is and call display chigre it will display on the monitor diba do go cheswa okay tangi taji kharla so joystick lan endichur manjo video game 제가 두두라 부금망부치 디 토뉴 yor 부금망부치 this is called joystick 사실 토뉴요 말이야 나는 문에 딘데 motor driver tinjuk indi chiwa tinde mashi dawo thongsra sima thomaso joystick is an input device consisting of stick cupal or that pivot and on the basis of report its angle and direction or direction to device it is controlling di ama di gujota waina ni kuigilanga tamasu tuyongres joystick can be moved in all of the four directions ya tanga yore ma tanga left right up down the function of joystick is similar to the mouse mouse the kura la chipachi kan do del button shidwa ya ma gujota to kora ge chasa yore it mainly used for the playing computer games in the digital warriors joystick are also used for controlling machines such as crane truck underwater unmanned vehicles murchimbuchimbutan tindela pichutangores kuchuse surveillance camera tinde de pichutangores zero turning radius lane mover tinde chidu pichutangores the machine chua the game da ane murchimbuchimbu ki gear cat so da tinde gi da means format in the dojo peju tangore lor. Next is scanner. Scanner is an input device. Scanner decodes lana input device is that input device in basta daji khang la dishi game. Okay, bu kashi scanner tonu yo mare kashi 진짜 단다 진짜 토와 된존을 내가 망치 스캐너를 연구를 봤다. 근데 춘지가라 파마기 스캔치 파마기 지로드 프린치 제록시도 수수잘라디 모싱고 수수랑 게 액티비티 수수랑 게 치와나 아니 걔가 잘라 조이나 스캔치 와 조이나 걔 스캐너 잘라 모싱 스캔치다 라그로 와 걔 텍스트북스 partic 스캔치다 라도 걔는 잘라 통그 이네 걔 유스 마치나 at least 걔랑기 day to day life 나스 비주얼 요가치 하고 보러 와 스캐너라나 Scanner is an input device which work more like a photocopy machine. Kashi go chung mare ni malap ta wala. Photocopy the scanner chishule dura photocopy chini le. In a different kind photocopy the clear yo mara scanner the original copy to sure. Kuni lega chidang daw yor de in a dinang color tamang buch keba yora. It is used when some information is available on the paper and it is to be transferred into computer for further manipulations. The kangi paper nala yo jala di computer nala transfer che ani kangi di kanji mail la tangwai nare pen drive na lugwai nare kanji la pechu chinare labur. Scanner capture image kangi shugu di par nala switch irba from source. The source karine yung sigre ke par yung sigre yige yung sigre peja yung sigre karine ta which are then converted into digital form. 당부 결항이 슈구나로 키에요와 딜로 로나로 룩시 computer 나로 루나레 pen drive 나로 루나레 모바일 나로 루나레 원딘디 치에요레스 고스세 결혼 통보 스캔 치기도 버탁 스캔이 제 computer 나 뜬거다 디스캐너. Okay, optical mark reader recognition. The optical mark recognition reader lana indication. Optical mark reader is a device that reads the pencil marker or convert them into computer process form. The optical mark reader lana khalana kya ye tanda pencil gi tanda optical mark reader khande churna read the pencil marker ta kyanzo and sheet chigena ro. Let's say paper chigla ende chinira kran phomure phurelar ta gyalar circle dila phomoina female la kogo de la circle shade chirwa puina male la shade chire mare. Special pre-print format ini format design chire manzo form do de do a design with a box which mark with a dark pencil or ink kyanzo form jangdu jambala ku pure bomore circle dinola ta gyaglo do ku game gaji Belugu became Shivala Tagyar. Danashi and Q Zinda Gazuri, Zinda Tambuni, Chuba Batatir, Zinda Dumba Eaters, but the Maramanzo, Zinduma Tagyar. And Caron de la San Garlas, left, right. Are you satisfied? Yes, and Sanjar. And the Tagya Ligidum into such document is called optical mark reader. Indeed, optical form chira, Tantong on the form chu, and the optical mark reader la Digi Hajire. The device na lugwa and kororo tipo likanza check sheet kuran such a document are read by reader ti chalash to adela optical mark reader machine ti na kyuki paper ti ngal tigro survey paper ti ni kyol survey che te dara sigyon su lo lugi jingi sum shilan ter na sigyon su lo kyora ta yar mi geni candidate chigla ta yare un phupo mo su yin ke ani ni kyol min ti le mar ani dela chemanga kaung chigra voting out kap. Okay, pembasen looking up to Chungsha, Jigsha. The details example reader. In a current need Karagizela Tish. Pukutin Zolas, digital device like how you hazi, digital device like how me yo hazi, Tayalas, and the male female. The quality near resolution and a posumjuna, sumju paper sumju lukni. And then it will read. Korogora read sheet orta. Document are read by the reader, which transcribe the mark into electronic class which transmit into computer they are widely used for the application like objective types answer paper question paper in the CBSE answer short answer type samara billion million years in check chi de mare kuran the machine alone check chi 아니 그런게 answer 딱딱딱 튕기죠. 원신이 shaded 야고 맞이나 answer 딱딱 둥 말와. shaded 야고 shade 맞이나 콘주기 같이기래 skip 치세. 렌디 그런 갭 매어 지셔. 가지나나 막 리더기 리치 투고 말. shade 약 붙이고 black pencil 야나 black pen 고저서 equivalent into large number of candidate appears time. sheet of the factor employees that dinjo changma khoran ju gi chuchuji nalo lo min paper ma check chi she ires dinde jigla optical mark reader la reading tadi go sa de chala optical character recognition OCR la na ra nimjung nganjo shopping mall dinde la to wa na re Amazon na re khare na re de la ra dish to dan de la barcode reader ding nganjo chala changma la ra barcode reader yo chala di ta number do da andi catalog nanglo la chala gi ming tu re ba tadi gi khachi thugure la na dinang alphabet recognize numeric character recognize di device te je tan optical character reset di pe je tan laser di gi tek level wa ani kherang gi di piji di nanglo la chala kharesha gi kharesha di page letter kharesha di mark kharesha store chala kharesha changma recognize chi thugure di de kyan ju mo singir ma che ba 아니 디지털 다른 데가 미루아 망탈이야.